When it comes to juices, many of us have probably tried the sweeter fruit juices made from apples, oranges, strawberries, and pineapples, and enjoyed them immensely. But there are more than just fruit juices out there nowadays. And actually, there are equal amounts of benefits to be had from certain vegetable juices, even if you find the taste less enjoyable. Specifically, carrot and beetroot juices are incredibly popular drinks this year, and it's thanks to their endless range of nutritional benefits. Loved by Instagram influencers and world-famous nutritionists alike, this colorful pair have distinctive tastes and appearances, and are immensely healthy when blended into juice form. You can choose to drink carrot juice and beetroot juice separately from one another, but many people like to throw them in together and enjoy double the benefits of their beverage. The two ingredients contain a whole host of nutrients and antioxidants, which work to increase your blood flow, reduce blood pressure, detoxify your body, and ultimately keep your health problems at bay. Stay tuned to learn some of our favorite benefits of carrot and beetroot juice. And remember to take note of our favorite carrot and beetroot juice recipe if you fancy trying the drink out yourself. Number 1. Detoxification. Detoxing is, as the name suggests, the removal of toxins from the body. It happens constantly inside of us and mostly takes place in the liver. Sometimes we need a little extra help in detoxifying the bad stuff, and this is where beetroot and carrot juice comes in. The beverage makes for a great detoxifier, as beetroot contains something called betaine, which helps support healthy liver function. As an added bonus, carrot juice helps excrete toxins from the body effectively. Number 2. Supports inflammation. There are many reasons why we may experience inflammation. Eating a diet rich in inflammatory foods, being stressed, a lack of sleep, being overweight or vitamin deficient. Inflammation is linked to a whole host of diseases, so we're better off reducing it where we can. Beetroot and carrot juice contains an impressive number of anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that help cure inflammation naturally. Number 3. Aids in digestion. Nobody likes to experience digestive issues, but when our diets tend to contain so many highly processed foods, it's hard to avoid the occasional tummy trouble. Luckily, carrot and beetroot juice can help balance things out somewhat. Both beetroots and carrots can help relieve constipation by stimulating the metabolic system. They contain phytonutrients which have been found to boost the digestive system and keep it running as it should. Carrots are loaded with fiber that not only balances blood sugar levels, but also keeps the gut healthy. Number 4. Maintains eye health. Your eye health is one of the most important things you can have, and preventing natural aging of the eyes will help you to see better for longer. Both carrots and beetroot contain something called beta-carotene, a vitamin that we use to produce vitamin A. Ultimately, beta-carotene is responsible for promoting healthy vision, and experts have found that it can reduce your chances of developing age-related eye problems like macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 5. Promotes healthy skin. As we age, our skin loses its elasticity and may become dull or even pigmented, especially if we're frequently exposed to the sun. Carrot and beetroot juice is a fantastic source of vitamin C, which works wonders for all aspects of the skin. Not only does it help prevent skin pigmentation, thereby giving you an even skin tone and a glowing skin, its antioxidant content makes it highly effective at fighting the free radicals that cause common signs of skin aging. Number 6. Encourages red blood cell production. We need healthy red blood cells for a number of reasons, mainly to provide our organs with enough oxygen to enable us to live. Beetroot and carrots both have a high iron content, which is essential for the production of healthy red blood cells. Studies have found that consuming these veggies may help treat anemia and has proven to be a good home remedy for menstrual disorders and menopause symptoms. To make your own carrot and beetroot juice, you'll need the two main ingredients, carrot and beetroot, along with ginger, a lemon or lime, and a cup of water. Take 4 carrots and half a medium beet, then peel and chop them. Chop a fingernail-sized piece of ginger and add the 3 ingredients to a blender with half a cup of water. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the ingredients and blend in the blender until smooth. The ginger and lemon should give the juice a more enjoyable flavor, but you can always add your own fruits for extra freshness. Some people like to add apple, pears, celery, or even zucchini. If you haven't tried carrot and beetroot juice yet, don't be put off by how it may sound. It's actually delicious and packed full of nutritional benefits. You can usually find the beverage in stores or at your local juice bar, but it'll cost far less to make your own version at home. You'll be able to experiment with your own ingredients until you produce something you really enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 22 amazing beetroot juice health benefits for hair, blood, skin, and stamina. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.